Hey guys, it's Shivangi. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the tutorial on how to create this simple yet elegant look. Plus, I'm going to style this look with my Daniel Wellington Petite Melrose watch and classic Durham strap. You'll find all the links in the description box below. Now, without further ado, let's begin. I'm starting off with the application of the primer. This is going to be a no foundation look, guys. Next, I'm going to apply the concealer on the darker areas of my face and I'm going to blend it with a brush. I'm going to set this concealer with a compact powder which gives a bit of coverage. I'm also going to apply this compact powder all over my face. Next, I'm going to lightly contour my cheekbones and my jawline. Now, I'm quickly going to fill out my eyebrows off camera and come back. Next, I'm going to take the highlighter which I'm going to use and I'm going to apply it on my eyelids. I'm actually not using an eyeshadow palette for this look. I'm going to use my highlighter as an eyeshadow. After that, I'm going to take a brown Kajal pencil and I'm going to apply it as an eyeliner. I'll create a half wing liner with this. After creating the half wing liner, I'm going to use a green Kajal and apply it on my waterline. I'm also going to apply the same green Kajal on my lower lash line halfway through. And lastly, I'm going to smudge this line. After putting on the false lashes, I'm going to apply some blush. And then I'm going to highlight all the high points of my face. I'm using the same highlighter which I used on my eyelid. I'm going to finish this look up with a pinkish lip color. And lastly, I'll spray my makeup fixer to set the makeup in place. Next, we'll get to styling, guys. I'm going to wear my Daniel Wellington Petite Melrose watch and I've paired it up with classic Durham strap. The best thing about this watch is that the straps are interchangeable and you can style it in multiple ways. This is the kind of watch which pairs up really well with Western and Indian outfits alike. It looks really smart. So this is the final look, guys. It looks very simple, elegant and classy and the watch pairs up so well with this look. Don't forget to use the code TDDP15 on danielwellington.com to get extra 15% off your purchase. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I shall see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye-bye.